Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 5.3 and AirPods, and I'm going to show you how you can connect this to the device. So at first you have to open notification bar on your Nokia. Click and hold the Bluetooth icon. When we are here, let's open charging case of the AirPods. Then rotate them like that and click and hold this button to move them into the pairing mode. Right now just release the key when the indicator is blinking. Click on your Nokia to pair new device. When they pops on the list, you have to click on them, accept pair, and as you can see right now we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.